Do I need a muddler? The purpose and everything you need to know. You know when you like to make fruit or vegetable drinks, and every time it seems like the drink tastes too strong? Well, that's where the muddler comes in. A muddler will help mix up your ingredients to be more palatable and easier on the taste buds. That means less sugar for us. In today's video, we will talk about what a muddler is, how it works, and why some people might want one. Let us show you how this simple little device can take your drinks from average to extraordinary in seconds flat. When do you need a muddler? A muddler is a tool used for crushing the ingredients in cocktails like a mojito, margarita, and mint julep. When paired with a loose bag, it can also double as an ice crusher to make crushed iced beverages such as daiquiris or slushes. Tips when muddling. 1. Muddling is not pounding. When muddling, don't forget to press and twist. Lightly pressing the muddler to your ingredients will result in better drinks. 2. When muddling sugar, add a small amount of lemon juice or the liquor you are using to soften your cubes. Gently press and twist while continuing light pressure with gentle motions. 3. Remembering the right amount of pressure to use when muddling herbs can make a world of difference. Mint needs only slight pressure while basil may take more than what's needed for mint, but not so much that you release chlorophyll or essential oils, which could result in bitter cocktails. Purpose of muddler. The primary purpose of the muddler is to mash the ingredients so the essential oils, flavor, and aroma of the ingredients mix with the cocktail. Another purpose of the muddler is to crack the ice in the larger glass of the Boston shaker or use a loose bag. The muddler is the most basic tool in your bar arsenal, but it can still do plenty. You don't need an ice crusher or any fancy shaker for that matter to make mint juleps with just this and a loose bag. Talk about easy. Did you like this video? Then give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Advanced Mixology. Smash that notification bell button below so you will be updated on our latest videos.